In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft Office activation error when Word or another Office application keeps showing an activation prompt. Step 1. Find the Office folder. First, open File Explorer and click on This PC. Open your C drive, then go to Program Files x86. Next, open the Microsoft Office folder, followed by the Office 15 folder. Inside this folder, look for the Office Software Protection executable, usually named OSPPREARM. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If necessary, run the tool a few times as shown in the tutorial. After that, close the folder and refresh your desktop. Now, open Microsoft Word again and check whether the activation prompt still appears. Step 2. Try the 64-bit Office location. If you can't find the file in the first location, go back to the C drive and open Program Files instead. Look for Common Files, then open Microsoft Shared. Inside this folder, look for the Office Software Protection Platform folder. Open it and locate the Office Protection executable. Right-click the file and choose Run as Administrator. After completing the process, restart your computer and open Word again to check if the activation message has disappeared. Step 3. Check your Office activation. If the error still appears, open Word and go to File, then Account. Check the Product Information section to see whether Office is activated correctly. Keep in mind that these steps only help with activation-related errors when you have a legitimate Office license. If your subscription or product key isn't valid, you'll need to activate Office through Microsoft's official activation process. That's it. These are the main steps you can try to troubleshoot the Office activation error. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials.